Transform your space with Samsung's Premier 5 Projector. 100-inch touchscreen experience. Exciting news for tech enthusiasts and home entertainment lovers. Samsung has just launched its latest innovation, the Premier 5 Projector, in South Korea, and it's turning heads with its incredible features. Priced at KRW 1.99 million, approximately $1,380, this ultra-short throw projector is set to redefine how we experience media in our homes. Imagine being able to project a stunning 100-inch image from just 43 centimeters away. That's right. The Premier 5 allows you to create a massive display on your wall, floor, or table, making it perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or even work presentations. But that's not all. This projector is equipped with an infrared laser module and camera that enable touch functionality, transforming your table into a giant touchscreen. Picture this: using your smartphone or tablet to mirror your screen on a colossal 100-inch display. With Samsung's DeX feature, you can take your productivity to the next level. The Premier 5 is smart too. It features Vision Booster technology, which automatically adjusts contrast, color, and brightness based on the ambient lighting in your room, ensuring you always get the best image quality. Plus, with auto keystone correction, you won't have to worry about distorted images. For those who love smart home integration, the Premier 5 supports SmartThings, allowing you to control your smart devices right from the projector. And with Tizen OS, you gain access to a world of smart features, including the Gaming Hub, which supports popular game streaming services like Xbox, GeForce Now, and Luna. When it comes to image quality, the Premier 5 doesn't disappoint. It projects a crisp 1080p image using a triple laser system, with a light source rated for an impressive 20,000 hours of operation. It also supports HDR10+ for vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Connectivity options are plentiful, with 2 micro HDMI ports, one featuring eARC, and a USB-C port. Plus, you can enjoy wireless connectivity through Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.2. And let's not forget the onboard stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, delivering an immersive audio experience. In summary, the Samsung Premier 5 projector is not just a device. It's a gateway to a new way of enjoying entertainment and productivity. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or working from home, this projector is designed to elevate your experience. Don't miss out on this game-changing technology.